added a few less additives in my diet, I think. Oh, this one.
It's disappeared with time, it never made much sense. Adolescence rested there, wasting up the night on planning my revenge. I'll find myself. Don't wanna be your monkey wrench. One more descent again. I just can't read, that's my problem. I'd rather leave than suffer this. Ooh. I'll never be your monkey wrench. Ah! It was screaming, damn it. All this time to make amends. And breathe. Now
boy.
and then I'll try to bend. Under pressure, wind up snapping the end. 1 in 10.
1 in 10.
Oh yeah, cool. 1 in 10. Woo! Don't wanna be your monkey wrench.
Scream!
Oh, scream yourself. 1 accident.
It will be an accident in a minute.
I'd rather leave than suffer this. I'll never be your monkey wrench.
Come on, Gareth, more rocking. Come on, more rocking, Gareth.
The camera loves you. The camera loves you.
The camera loves you, Gareth. Sorry, it's Aled Jones singing in the choir there.
Hang on. My moment to shine will come. One last. Oh yeah, all right. I don't know the word, but I'm just gonna shout like I do.
Yeah, you got awesome. Let's get coughing to it.
Yeah, coughing's good.
That's good movement there, Gareth.
It's always caged and now I'm free. I think I'm still supposed to be going. Yeah. Don't wanna be your monkey wrench. One more descent accident. It just doesn't make sense, does it? I'd rather leave than suffer this. I'll never be your monkey wrench. I've got a message. Don't wanna be your monkey wrench. Sorry. Fall in, fall out. Wanna be your monkey wrench. I've made it all the way through. I've never done that before. That's awesome.